Adam Solar here with a review on the Blink Acton S electric skateboard. It's one of our demo boards at the shop. Got about 100 miles on it. All kinds of people have rode it, wrecked it, beat it up. It's taken the beating. It still rips. I like this board. One wheel drive motor in the back here. I'm gonna go take it out around the city of Pittsburgh and see what you guys think. My biggest factor of loving this board is how compact, light, and easy it is. It's the the ease of how you can take this thing with you that really makes it a nice board for me. Carryability. A lot of those long boards, you gotta like hike up in your arm. The S, you can hold it, arm extended, walking. Super light, super portable. Stop, go, forward, reverse, turn it on. It is a AA battery pack in there is my only, I don't know, disappointment. I'd almost prefer just a rechargeable lithium controller, but whatever, no big deal. Just always got to remember to turn it off. That's the thing. If you leave it on continuous, you'll kill your battery. Nice graphic on the board. This is the original. I think the new ones actually don't have that nice wood. Slam full throttle on this and still feel comfortable. There's Pittsburgh. So once again, if I was on the one wheel or a bike, I'd go all the way around. This thing's so light. I'll just jump up the stairs here by Duquesne Incline. That one. Look at that thing. The other thing, I'm not a big skateboarder. Having reverse or brake, you can slow yourself up. So you're not gonna be scared to go down hills and have to worry about, oh, I gotta put my foot down. No, just hit the back button, slow yourself up. So efficient. For like a 100 watt-hour battery, you go like 7-8 miles on it. So effortless. The future of personal transport. Once you get comfortable, you stand on a board with a remote. It's the way to get around town. Hey, it's me again, just telling you, why don't you get a S? Yeah, the only thing I dislike about a skateboard in the city is that ton. You can really hear it. Where like if you're rocking a one wheel, it's so quiet, so smooth. But you know, $400 special gets you where you need to go versus $1,500, and you probably want to get the XR for $18. So price point, deal with a little bit of noise, and enjoy the Blink S. Just square, middle of the city. go as you please through the city with a skateboard like this. My only complaint is the noise. You can really hear the noise of the board, and the pedestrians notice it, compared to a one-wheel is silent. But other than that, and especially when you're on something smooth, this is the way to get around town. Here's the other problem. Text and drive. My man just stopped middle of the street to text and drive. So you gotta watch out for them guys, because they're driving down the main road doing that. Feel like the fastest form of transport through the city at rush hour. Yeah, eSkates, so there's that. So there's a quick look at the app. Got your speed, your odometer, percent of charge. We're at 30% after that ride, which I'm impressed with. That was a good ride. I rode it full throttle. Good stuff. After running this thing hard, pack's hot. Okay, everybody ready?